give a fuck about a nigga. Fuck your girl and send her to you. Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold giving another golden quickie. Wow, Vybz Kartel made a post just a few hours ago that seems to not be there anymore. That stated, "Them want to test me when them know, them can't. So if I war them want, tell them no bother try. Hashtag fully Gaza, Gaza Nation." So, it's really interesting because I not too long saw a vlogger out there saying that Vybz Kartel's just trying to keep to himself and he has some kind of God journey post up on his page and so forth. Yet this post went up and then he's throwing shades in his story, but some people are saying it's promo. Okay, so what does this mean? Who is Vybz Kartel talking to? Who is he throwing shade to? Why would it be no longer there on his page if it was something innocent? So, what do you think? Let's listen to what he said in a recent interview about Alkaline. Just for the fun of it. Anyways, remember to like, subscribe, and share after you finish listening. Bless.
A time when you level the vibes with Alkaline. I mean, it's a good water. It's very... That's it. If he were to acknowledge that there were influences that you brought to bear on his career, would that change things?
Not his career, every career. The same way I'm not afraid to say, Buju Banton, I'm the biggest inspiration. Ninja Man. So I'm not, why Vybz Kartel is so great, I'm not just Vybz Kartel, I'm a fan, I'm a student of the music. And once you accept that, you will reach far. If you don't accept that, you're not going away. And that's just the truth.
But do you see a time when, if he says what you think he needs to say?
No, I never said what I think he needs to say. I don't care what he wants to say. Like I'm saying, everybody know Kartel set the trend, and if I dress like you, people are going to know, regardless of if I admit it or not.
So there's no way there can be a kind of accommodation?
No, there's no bad blood either. I'm a grown man, and I'm a changed man, so we hold no grudges, and we don't eat fudges.